Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are your Instagram voice messages not playing? Here's the solution. Firstly, open the settings app on your device, scroll down, and click on the apps option. Click on the Instagram. Now, click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Now, go back to the home page. Open the Play Store app on your device. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram and update it if not. And if your problem is still not resolved, then open the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem. Now, click on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Here, describe your problem and after that tap on the sign option and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.